In this video, I will show you how to make money online by simply reading scripts, which is one of the simplest ways to do so. And we are about to find out how to accomplish it. In this video, I'll show you how to make $150 to over $1,500 by simply reading scripts online. You may be wondering why you should watch this video right now. The method I will be teaching you today is completely free and available worldwide, so you can do it from anywhere in the world. Second, you can start earning money right away after watching this video, because I will be showing you step by step how to do it. You're fortunate you watched this video, because you didn't miss out on a great opportunity. Also, I have a special bonus for you at the end of this video, so be sure to stick around and watch until the very end. Before we go further to this video, welcome to my channel, where we will teach you the best strategies to make money online. So make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. Let's return to the video now. But before I show you the steps, I like you to look at this. This is your potential earnings on this website, and I'm excited to share it because it will pay you decent money for reading scripts. As we can see, you can earn up to $250 for just 0 to 2 minutes of work. And you can even earn over $1,500 for just 45 to 50 minutes of work. So stay tuned and watch until the end, because I'll show you exactly how it works. Make sure not to skip on any part of this video so you don't miss out on important details. Before we go any further, I want you to pay close attention and listen carefully, since many individuals fail to make money because they do things the wrong way. So first and foremost, I'd like you to go to voices.com. As you can see, the voices on this website are employed by some of the world's most trusted businesses like Shopify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, Los Angeles Times, Bell, GoDaddy, Cisco, Hulu, and many others. As a result, this website is 100% legit. This website pays people every day, so you may expect to receive your earnings via PayPal or bank transfer. There are many additional payment options available, so you won't have to worry. Basically, there will be a lot of various categories and projects available on this website for you to choose from. I'll also tell you which category to choose at a moment that will provide you the most money, and you'll be able to choose from a variety of various projects. Once you've chosen a project, they'll send you a script or template containing all of the words you'll read. All you have to do now is record your voice, and they'll pay you based on how long the project is. You can do it in less than 2 minutes, 15 minutes, or even more than 15 minutes, depending on the project. What I like about this website is that it provides us with unlimited opportunities. There are numerous categories to choose from, and new job posts are added every day. As a result, you won't have to be worried about anything. If a project requires 5 minutes of voiceover work, all you have to do is put in less than 10 minutes per day, and you'll be earning money over and over again. So if you have nothing to do at home or have a lot of free time, whether it's a quick voiceover or an hour-long voiceover, the earnings are unlimited here. What if I don't have a microphone? You might be thinking, you don't need a professional condenser microphone to do this correctly. So how am I expected to do it? You can utilize the microphone on your mobile phone or your earbuds with a microphone. So you can use your Android or iOS devices for this. The best part is that you don't have to give your identity or even show your face for this. You don't even have to write anything. They just require your voice for their projects. All you have to do is speak and read the script that will be provided to you. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you 5 seconds to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video this far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now let's get back to the video. To begin, you'll need to create a free account with voices.com To do so, hover your mouse over the Sign Up button in the upper right-hand corner and click it. This will take you to a page where they will ask you to type your email. Then click Continue. Next, you should type your name, your password. Then make sure to click on Work as a freelancer. Next, click on I agree, and finally click on the Sign Up button. So after creating a free account, this is how your dashboard will look. You'll notice that there are a lot of different industries to choose from, including advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit publishing, technology, and video production. So I'll show you which category will pay you the most money, which jobs are good for beginners. And this works in most countries, starting with India, Philippines, United States of America, Indonesia, Nigeria, Malaysia, the United Kingdom, as well as many other countries around the world. Now, the categories that will pay you the most money are education, advertising, and most importantly, gaming. So I recommend that you concentrate on education, advertising, and gaming, because these are the top 3 categories that have the most jobs, and at the same time, will pay you the most money with the least amount of time and effort. So for example, if you choose education, you'll notice that there are a variety of different voice actors working with Voices.com, both male and female voice actors, who are paid every time someone hires them to perform a voiceover. So I know that those of you who are still watching this video are from all over the world and speak a variety of languages. So what I like to do is, as we can see, in the left-hand corner, there is a language option. So you have that option here: Indonesian Arabica, English, Portuguese, Spanish, French, Hindi, Filipino, and a variety of other languages are available. So don't worry, there are plenty of options here for you to choose from. And you can earn money simply by reading those scripts. If you want to make more money, look for jobs that last longer than 15 minutes and pay more than $1,500 if you do a project in the feature. Once you've signed up and set up your account, you can head over here to your open jobs and look for jobs that are hiring right now and paying more than $250. As you can see, there are a lot of jobs and opportunities waiting for you here. Now, I'll show you a sample script for podcasting, which is one of the highest paying categories on this site. So they'll give you a script like this one, with a client's name, the age of the voice actors, they're looking for the gender, and the job description all right here. So you'll have all the information you need. In fact, if you go down, you can see what industry it belongs to, what kind of language they want, and how many words they want. So they have a 60 seconds podcast intro script right here. They also provide a 30 seconds and a 15-second podcast intro script below, which are just examples to show you what it looks like if you're hired. Voices.com has a mobile app that you can download and install straight into your phone. So you can do it even if you're just laying down or doing whatever you want, because it's available in both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. All you have to do is read the provided script, and that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.